In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create infographics in Canva. If you've ever tried to turn a lot of information into something visually clear, you already know how easy it is for a design to feel cluttered or hard to read. A good infographic needs enough space, a strong structure, and clean formatting so the viewer can follow the information without getting overwhelmed. The good news is that Canva makes this process much easier, even if you're not a professional designer. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up your canvas properly, choose a solid layout, organize your text, and export a sharp final file. To get started, open Canva and head to the main homepage. In the top right corner, click Create a Design. In the search box, type infographic, then choose the standard infographic size, which is 800 by 2000 pixels. This format gives you a tall vertical canvas, which is ideal for presenting information in a natural top to bottom flow. Starting with the correct size is important because it gives your content room to breathe and helps prevent your design from feeling cramped. Once the blank infographic canvas opens, the next thing to do is turn on your layout guides. Go up to the File menu, open View Settings, and enable Show Rulers and Guides, then turn on Show Margins. These guides act like visual boundaries that help you keep text, icons, and other elements from getting too close to the edges. It's a simple adjustment, but it makes a huge difference in keeping your infographic polished and easy to read. Now move to the left sidebar and open the Design or Templates section. In the search bar, type a phrase that matches the kind of infographic you want to make, such as a timeline, a step-by-step guide, or a data-focused layout. Browse through the options and choose a template that fits your topic and has a structure you like. When you click it, Canva will place it directly onto your canvas, giving you a strong starting point instead of building everything from scratch. Next, update the text hierarchy so your infographic is easy to scan. Click the main title area, replace the placeholder text with a clear headline, and use the toolbar to apply a bold font style. Then edit the supporting text sections so the information is concise and consistent. If needed, open the Elements tab and add simple shapes or icons to separate sections and guide the viewer's eye down the page. This helps create clear sections and makes the content feel organized. Before exporting, take a moment to review everything carefully. Make sure your text is aligned well, no important content crosses the margin guides, and all placeholder content has been removed. When you're happy with the design, click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. Select PNG if you want a crisp digital image, or choose PDF Print if you need a version for printing. Then click Download to save your finished infographic. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.